This tutorial will go over how to save an image in Acorn. To start, open your image in Acorn. Here we have the image of a country road. The first thing we're going to do is navigate to File, Save As, and we're going to change the file format from JPEG to Acorn. This is a very important step to start because you do not want to make changes to your original image that you cannot undo later, and by saving as the .acorn file format, you'll be able to preserve your layers for future editing. And now you can see at the top of the canvas that the image has the .acorn file format. Now let's go ahead and make some edits to this image. Let's duplicate the layer, and we'll make it black and white by going to the Color Adjustments filter and turning the saturation down. Let's also decrease the opacity of the duplicated layer. Now you can see we have unsaved edits by looking in the upper left-hand corner of the canvas. There's a black dot in the Close button. But if we go to File, Save, the black dot disappears. Now let's choose File, Save As, and save our image as a JPEG. Let's rename the image Edited, and then click Save. Now this is the window that comes up, letting you know that by saving your image as a JPEG, you will lose the layers that you created in your image. Now let's close the image, and we're going to reopen them so we can see what the difference is between the Acorn file that we saved and the JPEG file. So here's the Acorn file, and you can see that both layers are still present in the layers list. And here is the JPEG file, where you can see that the two layers have become one layer, so you cannot edit the layers separately anymore. That is why it's so important to keep a copy of your work as a .acorn file. Now let's navigate to the Finder to see the images that we saved. We have our original, which is countryroad.jpg. We have our .acorn file, where we made our edits and our layers are preserved. And we have our country road edited.jpg that we can use for printing or sharing to social media sites or wherever. So I hope you found this tutorial useful for saving images in Acorn.